Hello everyone, this is Jim Krasinski with your week 3 screencast video. So it's been an interesting holiday weekend, and I'll get to the critical thinking essay in a minute here. But for this week, week 3, we are working in chapter 1. So our two discussion boards, or I should say our two posts in discussion board number 4 are going to be exercise 1.4, 1.5, responses due by the end of the week. Now, one thing I want to point out, and I've done this in several spots, is I've taken from the syllabus the section on the course inquiry and the theme. So, as I say here, this semester our course inquiry will focus on how Gen Z interacts with the world, right? That's why I began the course with the two articles on Twangy's on smartphones and Lukianoff and Heights and the coddling of the American mind, and I assigned that critical thinking essay, right? I want you to think about how Gen Z interacts with the world, right? We will conduct research into how technology and educational practices influence the learning and preparing of today's college students for success. You know, whatever your topic it may be and what you would like to research and write about, the way Gen Z views the world is far different than previous generations. So, as you work through the activities and the discussion boards, posts for this week in chapter 1, think about that and everything within the course theme. If you're struggling, I will help you shape a topic when I grade out and comment on discussion board post on the thread 1.5, right? Work through the activities in the course unit here. Let me get over to the course unit in week 3. Okay, so once again, I have the course theme here written in the overview and the objectives. So our activities, along with reading chapter 1 this week, is discussion board number 4. You should work through exercises 1.1 and 1.2 on your own, right? There are good exercises that help you work through. I can't include all of them here in the discussion board. So you want to take a look at some of the information, exercise 1.3 and review table 1.1. You might want to think about using some software to help you organize your sources and your research, all right? So also then we're going to get to exercise 1.4 in the discussion boards along with 1.5. Read the post instructions carefully for the discussion boards. I'm looking for specific development, specific length, and even some soft sources in discussion board number 4 there, especially exercise 1.5. So I want to take a little minute here and talk about the critical thinking essay that was due Sunday, end of day. The assignment, quite naturally, I introduced that assignment in week 1, okay, about the critical thinking essay with those particular articles. It is worth 20% of your course grade, right? So you want to make sure that you complete this activity because it is significant in its points. Now there is some confusion on what to upload here, so let me get back to the assignment here. Let's say here, let's go to assignment upload if you can indulge me just for a second. All right, so it says right here, critical thinking essay upload. Please upload the GDoc link to your essay here. Click on write submission to open the text box, copy and paste your GDoc link, then click submit. It says GDoc link. It does not say a Word document. It does not say a PDF. It does not say a text submission, a GDoc link. The GDoc link must come from your upload to the course folder that says critical thinking essay. Yes, this is a 2-part process. It states it in the syllabus. In fact, you look at Friday's announcement where I took the section about submission guidelines from the syllabus, and it states clearly it's a 2-part process. I need a copy in here that I can comment on, and then I need a submission of the GDoc link to Blackboard. So it's real easy. You just share your document by including it in the critical thinking essay folder here. All you have to do is just click on the GDoc right here. GDoc opens up in the shared folder. All you have to do is just copy that link. Copy that link, go over to assignment uploads. Here we go, right? Because the link is the URL, right? Submission box, as I say in the instructions. Here we go. Control V, the hotkey. click enter, and then you would click submit. You have to click submit so that it comes through for my grading. That is all that we have to do here. It is a two-part process. It's explained in the tutorial, it's explained in my instructions, explained in the syllabus. So if you have something sitting in the Google Drive folder and you have a 0 on Blackboard, that's because you probably did not upload a GDoc link, or you uploaded something other than a GDoc link. This is the way we're going to work through exercises and assignments throughout the semester. I always think this essay is a bit of a challenge. Please consult the Grade Center for my comments and grades. If you have any questions, email me, but hopefully after watching this particular video about uploading GDoc links, everyone can make adjustments. All right. Thank you, and as always, good luck this week and be safe. Look for the lecture video later in the week. Good luck.